Kapod wantiere weche mag somo, piny owacho chako chenro mar manyo jonyuol ma okano nyithindo man kod ng'ol mopogore opogore to pod kodhi sikul kata bed ni giseromo higni ma donjo e sikul. Jagoro migawo mar rango ma nyithindo Karen Agengo mane loso Kisumo koni nyaka koro puonjo jonyuol ma oluoro to nyithindgi skul kaluwore gi ng'ol ma gin go. Oyango ni kwan ma nyithindogi ma ok dhi skul medore kendo ma timo winjo rum chuth. Bende okoni ok owinjo ndiki e register mar ji mang'ol nyaka sani nyithindo milion 1.2 ma okoni osendiki e register.
Our intention is, after this assessment that is going to be done by KISE, we are identifying what they require, and in about 2-3 weeks' time, we are also going to organize another special event, a medical camp for them.
By the year 2024, when we carried out the first assessment, we discovered that we had over 700 children that were living with various disabilities. However, we had only 4 schools in Seme that would be able to absorb them.
When they come to Ramogi, we'll take their names and we'll provide them with assistive devices such as wheelchairs, crutches, so that they are able to just do things normally as other people.